As they left the shore, they faced a storm, and suddenly they feared for their lives. But upon the sea there someone walked on the water as they listened for his cry. That's when they heard him call out their names, and tenderly he said, "It is I." Is the eye of the storm the center of my calm, the place where I find shelter, the place where I find warmth, the center of my ways, the keeper of my days, when I can feel the sunshine and my ship is tossed and torn.